Hello everyone, Lucas Purden here with Paul Sherry Conversion Vans. Today we're going to highlight a brand new 2020 Ram ProMaster conversion van. This van's built by Sherrod Vans. Features a dark gray metallic exterior monochromatic paint. The bumpers are painted to match. You get the fog lights down low. 16-inch black wheels. Painted running boards. Have the Sherry Van logo on here. Round back. Does have a backup camera up top. Your towing hitch and wiring harnesses down below. Also backup sensors on the rear bumper. Take a look inside. Yeah, plenty of room back here for your storage. You do have a power sliding bench here that you can move forward and backwards. Then you can also lay it down from a bench into a bed if you need, and back up with just a push of a button. You do have a 12-volt power outlet back here. Your kicker speakers. Hooks up here to hang clothing on both sides. We'll walk around here and take a look on the inside. Inside you have leather swivel captain's chairs, four of them back here. Do have a 26-inch flat screen TV, track lighting all around. Shut the door, maybe we can see it a little better. You do got your LG Blu-ray player, your rear AC controls back here for your heat and air, USBs, a power outlet, and each seat has that as well. You have your lighted cup holder, USB ports. Then here's the rear bench. You also have some storage up in here. Up front, you have a Uconnect touchscreen radio with Sirius XM satellite radio. The steering wheel has all your hand controls for your hands-free phone calls. Heated leather seats up front. Again, my name's Lucas Purden. We're looking at a 2020 Ram ProMaster built by Sherrod. You can reach us at 937-778-0830, extension 1129.